Okay, for question number 1, observe the pattern below. So you have 840.6 divided by 300 and you get this. They give you this thing. Now they're asking you, what is 8,406 divided by 30? What is the pattern here then? 840.6 divided by 300, I get 2.802. Next is, they ask you to find this one, 8,406 divided by 30. Same digits, but it's different number. Digits and number are two different things, right? Digits are the single numerals. Number is when they join together, become that particular number with a value. All right. So what we can do is, before we reach to the 8,406 divided by 30, let's remain the 300 as 300. Okay, then we actually try to take this down like that. Okay, sorry, not. We change to the 1,000. We use 1,000. Okay, but the 300 remain as 300 first. If we do that, if we do this, what happened to the answer? The answer will be 28.02. Correct? Yeah, because if you notice, my 300 remains the same. What is different here? The decimal point. There is one decimal point here, but over here, there's no decimal point. This is 1,000, 8,000. This is 800. Okay. So, and next one, if I were now to remain my 8,406, now remain, this one change to 30 equals to, so now you know this is thousands. Now this is tens. So 280.2. We play around with the zeros and the movement of the decimal place. Okay, right? So over here, this is hundreds. This is hundreds. You get this. This is 1,000. This is 100. You move one decimal place to the right. And then after that, this is 1,000, but this is tens. So you move one more decimal place to the right. Okay. Answer is number 3. Number 2, express 2.3 as a percentage. When you see as a percentage, what must you do? You need to actually times it with 100%. So 2.3 over, in this case, 2.3, if you want to put it as a percentage over 100, right? Then you need to divide, okay? But you don't forget, you need to times it with 100%, okay? Let's change this to fraction then. So 2.3 is 23 over 10. Okay, equals to, you do this way, 10 times 2 plus 3. 23 over 10 times 100. This is better. If you use decimal, you might forget to times your 100 again. Okay, percent equals to, cancel, you cancel, 230%. Answer is number 4. Now 1,400 less than 5,000. 1,400 is 1400. Less means you need to minus. 5,000 means 5,000. Okay, so this is 5,000 minus 1400. Don't tell me you do not know how to minus. Answer is 3600. Okay, answer is 344. Please mark your work now. Okay, find the value of 79 times 0.08. Okay, for this question, you just times lah. Okay, and how do you times your decimal? 0.08 times 79, like that. Then when you do your decimal point, it must be in line as well. So once you do this, I'm not going to show you your calculation. Answer is number 2. Next one, 13 divided by 8 is equal to how many hundreds? 100 means something over 100. Okay, which means you need to have 2 decimal place. Just put that, 2 decimal place. Okay, so okay, let's not put the decimal place first. It's very confusing. We find the answer first. 13 divided by 8. You do your working, 13 divided by 8. Of course, there will be remainder, right? You cannot take 13 divided by 8. So this will be 1 whole 8, 5. And then you bring your decimal point on top, put a 0, bring it down. 48. That will be 6 minus, then 2. Bring down another 0. That's 20. 16. That's 2 minus, and then 4. Oopsie. Then it'll be a 4. Bring down another 0. 40. Okay, no space, so I'm just going to leave it like that. It's a 5. So it is 1.625. Now, how many hundreds are there? So if you look at the decimal place, 100 means this one, right? The 2 is in the 100 place. So you're going to drop the line there. So it'll be 162.500. Understand or not? Because 100 is 20, as I say, 2 decimal place, right? So I did not want to write 2 decimal place. I don't want to know whether you will get confused. So I have 1.625. 100 means you look at the number in the 100 place, which is 2. After that, you draw a line beside that, whichever digit that was in the 100th place. And then whatever it is, you draw a line there, and then it break up. So 162.5. The balance is 5 here. Okay, answer is number 3.